Welcome to the magical clock tower! Let's all dance together! Wow! Why is the clock so quiet today?
Tick-tock, tick.
Milo Mouse, please help me!
I lost my tiny
Milo,
Tick-Tock Heart.
Milo.
Then I'll
The
find
clock
it,
needs
one
you.
tiny step at a time.
Milo goes up, step by step.
One small step.
Hello?
One
Is
small
someone
step.
stuck? Over here!
Tick-tock, tick-tock, go, Milo, go. Step
Help
by
me,
step
Milo, I
we
cannot
go.
turn.
Ding
Don't
dong.
worry, I'll clean the
Turn
dust.
gear.
Milo's here.
Small steps.
Big things. Tick-tock, tick-tock,
That bridge is
go,
moving.
Milo, go.
Step when I
by
say
step
tick.
we go. Ding
Tick,
dong.
tick. Oh dear, I slipped away. Let's put you back where you belong.
Milo saved the day.
The clock is back.
1, 2, 3,
Good night,
4,
Milo.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great counting, Milo. The Tick-Tock Heart rolled higher up. Which way? Listen carefully. The right door still hums.
Milo goes up, step by step.
Ding dong!
One small step.
This door is humming. Then door is humming. Then that is the way.
Tick-tock, go, Milo, go. Step by step we go.
Bongo Bell, please.
Wake today.
I'm too sleepy. Wake me with a melody.
Click.
Tick-tock,
Milo's here.
ding dong!
Ring them from tiny to tall.
Big things. Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Ding dong! I'm awake!
Step by step we
It moves back and forth. Step with the rhythm. 1, 2, 1, 2. Touch the key!
Milo saved the day. The clock is back.
Got it!
Good
I can
night,
see a golden glow. I want to
Milo,
come home, but I'm
Milo.
stuck.
The
Open on
clock
tick,
needs you.
close on talk.
Milo
Now.
goes up, step by step.
One small step.
Thank
One
you,
small
Milo.
step.
The clock tower needs you.
Tick-tock, go, Milo, go.
Quick, to the
Step
clock
by
face.
step we go. Ding dong.
Turn the gear.
This is the
Milo's
fastest
here.
Tick-Tock ride ever.
Small
Almost
steps.
home.
Big
Quick, to the clock
things.
face.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, go, Milo, go. Step by step we go.
My
Ding
Tick-Tock
dong.
is back!
Quick, to the clock face. You're ticking again.
Tick-tock, tick-tock, Milo saved
Thank
the
you,
day.
Milo
The
Mouse.
clock is back.
Small steps helped a big clock.
Good night, Milo.
Good night, clock.
Good night, friend.